Your life is your responsibility. Your relationship with Allah is your responsibility. And no one can take care of it, by the way. Everyone has enough on their shoulders. Everyone has enough on their shoulders. If you think a scholar, if you think an imam, if you think a mother or a father or a brother or a good friend is responsible for your religion, is responsible for your relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you're playing a dangerous game. You're playing a dangerous game. You are responsible. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran so clearly, وَكُلَّ إِنسَانٍ أَلْزَمْنَاهُ طَائِرَهُ فِي عُنُقِهِ وَنُخْرِجُ لَهُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ كِتَابًا يَلْقَاهُ مَنْشُورًا. Every human being, we have placed the responsibility of their life, of their actions, of everything about their life round their neck. So on the day of judgment, you will be asked about this life. You will be questioned about it. So if you take it for granted, you will miss the point. Allah will make you stand in front of Him and He will ask you about every second in your life. What did you do with it? It's not for free. I've given you this life. I've given you this time. I've given you youth. I've given you eyes. I've given you a nose and ears. I've given you strength and energy. I've given you a body. I've given you a society to live in. I've given you so many things around. What did you do with them? Allah will ask you about each one of them.